Challenge 16. This one, I think, it's quite a simple one. What we have is we have only two rows of data. The issue is what for the first row, you can see there's a little red triangle on it. It's to do with the line break. So you have a single sentence but separate into multiple lines because we have a poetry, and the way it's formatted as such. The second should be seems okay. Data's fine. Have a look at the final answer. So we're gonna handle the ID should be fine. We need to format the date field. We want to break the lines up. Okay, that's fine. Rather than writing multiple formula, we do have a data cleansing. It's a tool personally I don't usually use as much because it's not necessarily the most efficient tool. It's a lot of macros wrapped in one single tool. But for the particular small data set, it's actually very useful to do some of the basic function we want to do. For us, let's see. I think all the thing we have is string. Are they? Let me click on metadata. So 1, 3 is in string, is the integer. So okay. For number 1, number 3, blanks default is usually okay. Trading white space. For field 1, we know we have line breaks in there. That's why we actually want to select what that is. So usually it's tabs and line breaks. So we want to get rid of duplicate white spaces. Uh, White space letters, those are fun, I think. Let's just run workflow to see. And that we can see before and after. Before field 1, we have a separation on it. After the line break is removed, what's break? Letter lam. So we corrected the line break and getting the desired field. To do the date field, this is clean enough. Maybe just use a datetime tool to handle field 3. So the string field, the datetime out, English is fine. What do we have? We have day, month, year. So day, month, year. This guy, that's 2 digits here. They are not happy with this thing. I think this one. Yeah. So the previous choice was pick up the M. That's when you expecting digit months as a digits. If you expect as letters, you have further option below. 2001, 2010, 6, June 16, Christmas. Yeah, that's pretty good. What do you have? Poem ID, poem red date. The last is just a basic select tool to clean up the field. Date fields are count. So it's a poem, I think called ID, poem red date. Yeah, that's the final answer. So if you never actually use the data cleansing tool, you may have to go through multiple select or multiple formulas to do some cleaning. But sometimes single tool is very useful. Usually I recommend to use data cleansing if you really have a lot more on the top, remove the null column. Because if you just use select, it may not be dynamic enough. Sometimes if we have a dataset Excel sheet, turns out you may hundreds, 100 column, 5,000, 50,000 rows. Some of those is just space, line break. How do you know which one to remove? You can manually go through the select. It's not about most efficient. And you can build your own custom macro, yes, but that's all purpose of a data cleansing tool. You can just use the one tool to do a lot of things. For small data set, you are able to, it's a good choice to use it. For big data set, unless you're going to be, you do understand your performance, you may want not to use it, use a formula instead. Okay, and that's that. Thanks for watching.